Carolyn Sexton, MidPenn Legal Services. Carolyn Sexton was nominated for the PLS Excellence Award by Rhodia Thomas, Executive Director of MidPenn Legal Services. Carolyn Sexton came to legal aid over 30 years ago as a client seeking justice. She was having problems with the local school district and had nowhere else to turn for legal representation. In her fight for fairness, the case Carolyn brought against the school district resulted in a district-wide policy change. Recognizing her talent and community activism, the executive director of the former Tri-County Legal Services recruited Carolyn to work for legal aid as a paralegal. Carolyn joined the staff and became an integral member of the legal aid team. In her tenure, Carolyn has helped hundreds of individuals obtain the government benefits they were entitled to and assisted hundreds of others resolve their housing problems. As with her own case, Carolyn's work is often groundbreaking, resulting in system-wide changes for clients. Recently, Carolyn succeeded in changing the York County Housing Authority admission policy, which had denied admittance to those with past criminal convictions, no matter how long ago the conviction was. Through her zealous advocacy, Carolyn was able to convince the Housing Authority of the unfairness of this policy. The Housing Authority agreed to change the policy, not only helping Carolyn's client, but allowing others access to safe and affordable housing as they rebuild their lives. Under this new policy, if individuals can demonstrate evidence of rehabilitation and 3 years have passed since the criminal conviction, they can be admitted to public housing. This change is significant, as often legal aid clients who have been convicted can at first only obtain a low-wage job and desperately need access to public housing to ensure they have a place to live to get their lives moving forward. Over her years with legal aid, Carolyn has won many awards. She is the only non-lawyer in the York legal community to be honored by the York County Bar Association with the Jane Alexander Award because of her exemplary work. True to herself, Carolyn recognizes that much work remains to be done to deliver on the promise of justice for all. She remains humble and committed to community involvement through service on the boards of many community-based organizations. Carolyn says the recognition is not why she comes to work each day, but because she understands what it's like to be a client, and she wants to assist those who need legal representation in the same way she was helped 30 years ago. For her long-term commitment to the pursuit of equal justice, and for her groundbreaking advocacy on behalf of those with nowhere else to turn, PLS is pleased to present Carolyn Sexton with the 2005 Excellence Award.